Now we come to Act 4, Scene 1, that is the trial scene. And this trial scene is the most popular and most powerful scene in the whole of English drama, as we will see. Now, obviously it is a trial scene, so we have the court here, and this trial scene is in a way the climax of the whole comedy. As we see, the merchant, that is Antonio, is protected in the end. The villain, that is Shylock, is defeated, and Shakespeare's disguised woman, that is Portia, she is triumphant. Triumphant means she wins finally. And Portia is the central figure of this trial, and her role in this scene is very significant, as we are going to see, because it is her verdict of the trial which is symbolic of the victory of good over evil. Now this trial scene is also a fight or conflict between Portia and Shylock. So one represents, that is Portia, she represents Christianity, and the other, that is Shylock, he represents Judaism. And all the other characters, they are just watching these two. And Shylock thinks that he has won the trial and no one can stop him from taking his revenge against Antonio. But finally we see that it is Portia who very cleverly turns the tables on Shylock. Now in this scene we will see that Shylock demands his right to cut a pound of flesh from Antonio's body. And now it is the court's decision which is going to determine Antonio's fate. The Duke also appeals to Shylock for a sense of compassion, but he also fails because Shylock says that he will stick to his promise, to the bond. Now the Duke believes that there is nothing to be done, and in this scene we also will see that Bassanio also attempts to offer money which Shylock refuses, and Antonio's friends, they all hurl insults at Shylock and cry for their friend, ask him to show mercy, to be sympathetic, but finally Shylock does not yield. And then we see that Portia enters the scene disguised as a lawyer, and she arrives and describes to Shylock the wonders of mercy. Now the court again offers Shylock a second opportunity to be merciful, but Shylock declines this offer. And he says, due to it not being paid according to tenure, means because my loan has not been paid on time, I will stick to the bond. Now this again shows that Shylock was being evil and unforgiving, so that later in this scene the treatment that he gets is well deserved by him. And finally it is Portia who managed to overturn the conditions and turn the tables on Shylock when she says these things, that firstly the contract clearly said that he could have Antonio's flesh, but it did not say that he would take one drop of blood. Secondly, she says that Shylock couldn't take more or less than exactly 1 pound of Antonio's flesh. And then Portia tells Shylock to go ahead and take Antonio's flesh, but he may not break any of these rules, because if he does so, all his lands and goods will be confiscated. Now, revenge and having law on his side also will not avail Shylock. So, finally, he takes the money and leaves Antonio his life. In the end, the reader is shown that justice is carried out as Antonio and Bassanio are good Christian people, and so good is shown to be triumphant over the immoral. And who is the symbol of immorality? The Jew, that is Shylock. Now, it is a memorable scene with strong dialogues from Shylock and Portia, which have become very popular in the world of English literature. So now we'll come to the scene and read those lines.